Robin AI is today launching Answer Types, which is a new feature within Robin AI reports that is designed to help legal departments to get even more specific, granular, and standardized data from their documents. So we know that contracts are inherently unstructured and difficult to manage, and historically legal teams have spent a lot of time manually mapping specific contract provisions onto specific fields or filling in spreadsheets in order to get the insights and understanding that they need across their body of documents. But with Robin AI reports, there's now a really clean way for you to choose and specify the exact answer that you want from your documents. So I've created a report here, and I want to understand the contract value. So I'm going to be able here to select the answer type that I want. Now you'll see there's a few different answer types available here, which are designed to give you the exact information that you need in the quickest time possible. So if you want to check, does your contract have a non-compete clause, you're able to use this yes or no option to get a really clear yes or no answer to your question. And here I'm trying to understand the contract value. So I'm going to choose a number and specify that it should be a currency and add that into my report. So I've now got all of the information here that I want to gather from across my documents. And that could be 10 documents, 100 documents, 1,000 documents. And this scale piece is really critical because when the report is produced, you're getting all of the standardized data across all of the different topics and questions that you've asked about your documents. And so what I'm understanding here is very quickly, what is the notice period across all these different documents? What is the term across these documents and the governing law? And you can see that we've given a very clean, simple answer, either a word or a couple of words. And this is extracting and synthesizing the data straight from your documents and doing it at scale with legal AI. So this is going to open the window for businesses to have a completely new way of working. And this enables them to run reports across a lot of documents at once, achieving that scale, whilst getting all of the customization and flexibility that they need. So asking the questions that they want, having the contracts in the reports that they want, and now being able to specify the exact format of the answer. And as always with Robin AI reports, you can choose whether you want the output to be in Word or Excel, to include citations or not. And all of this flexibility is designed to enable teams to self-service with this tool, so you can build your own report, you can manage your own processes, and you can get the data as quickly as you need it. So the time to value with this tool is literally one day. You can start from nothing, build your report, and actually get the information that you need. And along that journey, we provide templates for you to use, and we're making this as simple and as easy as possible so that you can get straight to the data out of your documents. So if you want to find out more about Robin AI, contact our team or contact me directly. Very happy to help.